Hi there, this is Dan from SEOmers. Thanks for watching the video. This will be very quick. Excuse the creaking chair. This is a real quick video just simply on how to add email access or grant access to your Google Analytics account. Obviously we have access to lots and lots of Google Analytics account, and when we take on a new client, it's always the same thing. Well, normally where the client or the website owner just doesn't know how to do it. There's nothing wrong with that or whatever else, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So lots of birds, one stone. Here we go. All you'll need to do is log into your Google Analytics, or go to the website analytics.google.com, or just simply Google Analytics, and it should take you to a page like this, providing you've got access and all of this kind of stuff. But it will take you to a format like this. Then all you'll need to do is click your website name. This is a testing ground, what we don't really do anything with. So these are all forgotten websites. So you'll need to click your website, and then you'll need to go into the left hand side and click admin. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to decide or work with whoever you want to grant access to. You need to decide whether you want to give them access to your whole Google Analytics account or just the property. So say for example here, this is the account, but I may have, say, 3, 4, 5 different profiles. I might have a caravan business, a headphone business and a few other businesses, but I only want my marketing guy or whoever to have access to my analytics, so only have access to my headphone business. I don't want them to see everything else. So if that's the case, you'll need to go to here under the property section and choose the profile you want. Again, ignore the web address. I don't even know what this website is, one we might have helped out years ago. So we only want to give them access to the property. So you will go into here and go user management. The guy, whoever you want to give access, should have a Google account. Then all you got to do is click this plus here and do add users, or I can't even read or speak, add new users. And all you have to do is go here, is put whatever their email address is. You don't necessarily need this. I prefer people don't do this because I get enough emails as it is. And then just decide what level of access you want them to have. So the most basic is just they could just view it. They can't set up goals, they can't change anything, they can't do anything, just view it. So make sure that's clicked. If you want them to be able to set up, well, it says it here really, but if you want them to set up goals, and what we do with all of our clients, we set up so we can see how many people have come from wherever. But how many of those visitors, let's say from Facebook, we've done a Facebook campaign. We want to know how many people from Facebook have either contacted via phone number or by a contact form, or even bought something. Doesn't really matter. So we want to set up goals, so we can set up the process of the checkouts or whatever. It doesn't really matter, but you get the idea. So click that, collaborate, this, that, and the other. Click that. Actually, it's already defaulted. You just have to tick all 3. This one here is the key. Is the manage users. If you click manage users, within reason, you're giving them the same rights as you've got, so they could potentially kick you out if they really wanted to. Most people wouldn't even bother, but unless there's a real good reason for them to be able to have this section, just don't click it. You don't have to. There's no reason. I can run Google. I can run an SEO campaign or marketing campaign, social campaign, anything I want. Set up tracking without needing this whatsoever. The only time this is useful is for my own personal websites or anything like that. If I want to add my wife or someone else, but as a business owner or a website owner, you don't need to let your third-party people have access to this, because they can kick you out. Even though I doubt they will, but I have seen it happen quite a few times. So tick that, says all 4 boxes, and you'll click add, and that's it. It can sometimes take a good few minutes for it to show up in Google. in their Google account. Very rarely more than, say, like 10 minutes, and that is it really. It's very, very simple. Job done. So thank you very much for watching the video. As I said, I kept it short and sweet. Thank you. Bye.